Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today is Saturday. That means we are reviewing something. Woo! This something is another balloon garland kit from Hooman Company. I already worked with them. I already worked with this kit. I'm not gonna tell you if I like this kit or not. You'll find out throughout this video. It's just today is the day when I am finally showing you how this kit will look like. I will link this kit in the description under the video, so go ahead and check it out. Without any further ado, let's go and let's dig into this balloon garland. This is a box that you will receive after purchasing this kit. In this box, we have 168 pieces, white, gold, and confetti tropical palm leaf greenery for any occasion, basically. So this kit on Amazon will cost you $14.99, and they do provide like $1 off coupon if you use it, so it will cost you $13.99. I think for $13.99 for this kit is a steal. Let's dig in and see what's inside. As we can see, we are working with white and gold balloons, white with gold confetti balloons, and also chrome balloons in gold as well. More balloons. Then we have gold ribbon, glue dots, 2 rolls. That is very handy. Sometimes 1 roll is not enough, so this is perfect. We have balloon strip to construct your balloon garland, balloon tying tool, yes, hooks to hang your balloon garland on your walls. Honestly, I wouldn't use these because I damaged my wall with them. I would rather go and purchase myself command hooks, ½ pound command hooks. Those command hooks will work better and they won't damage your wall. Unfortunately, hard pass on these. Then we have fishing line. If you need to use the fishing line to hang your balloon garland, this is like perfect. And lots of leaves to attach on your balloon garland. And last but not least, we have this booklet over here with all the instructions that you need to construct your balloon garland. I am ready to tackle all of my balloons. I am using my electric balloon pump from L'Oreal Paper and Balloon Company. It will save me lots of time than just blowing by mouth or using hand pump. I will be blowing my balloons individually, and I will be tying my balloons individually because we are working with balloon strip. A balloon strip can't handle 2 balloons in one hole, so we need to blow every balloon individually. Let's go. Trash day. I am blowing my balloon. Before tying, I am taking my balloon and pressing against the floor to give my balloon more rounder shape, and then tie it using my balloon tying tool, and you're done. Quickly show you what I do with my confetti balloons and how I make my confetti stick to the walls of my balloon. So, blow your balloon. I used to use a small towel or a paper towel to static my confetti to my balloon, but I noticed that a towel and paper towel can kind of scratch your balloons and can leave these white marks, and it doesn't look good, and your balloons are not clear anymore. They're with white marks. So that's why I switched to my own 2 hands. So I'm taking my 2 hands and I am starting to rub my hands all over the balloon. That way I am creating static inside of the balloon, and all the confettis are starting to stick. Give it a shake, rub some more. And here you have one beautiful confetti balloon. To construct our balloon garland, as you can see here on our strip, we have bigger hole, little opening, and smaller hole. So we're starting to insert our balloons into a bigger hole. Make sure your knot is completely through. Then slide your balloon through the opening into a smaller hole and let it go. That's all you need to do to insert your balloons into your strip. I am not alternating sides. I don't see a difference if you insert everything on one side or alternate sides. Balloons will fall into places where they need to fall themselves. Skipping holes. You guys, I can't really give you an exact pattern when you need to skip holes. You just need to see yourself. If you see your balloons are starting to pop out of the strip, that means you need to skip a hole. I will be building my base with 11 and 10-inch white balloons. I will add some chrome gold balloons into my base as well. And then the rest of the balloons, 18 gold confetti and 5-inch balloons, I will leave them out of the strip and I will be filling in spaces with them later. Is on my backdrop. How I hang all of my garlands, I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands in the description under the video. In that video I answer a lot of questions about balloon garlands, and I do show an up close on how I hang all of my garlands using backdrop and my fabric, and how I hang all of my garlands using command hooks and walls. So go check that video out. Now fun part begins. I am taking my glue dots. I am using more than one glue dot per balloon, and I am starting to build, to shape, to play around with my balloons. Last but not least, our leaves. I am taking one glue dot per leaf. I am putting my glue dot right in the back of my leaf and placing it where I want it to be placed. Here is what I have for you guys today. This is my take on this balloon garland from Party Hooman. You guys, $13.99. Just think about it. $13.99 for this amazing looking balloon garland. You guys, I am in love with the quality of this balloon garland. I am loving the style, the design that they thought of. I am just loving everything about this balloon garland. Great quality balloons, enough of everything, 2 rolls of glue dots. I am loving everything. As I said, great quality balloons. I lost 2 balloons and it's my fault, you guys, my fault, because the balloon strip, those holes, they do have sharp corners. If you pull your balloon too hard without controlling, you have a chance that you will puncture some holes in your balloons. That's what I did. I was in a hurry and I wasn't looking what I was doing, and I lost 2 balloons. You guys, $13.99 for all of this. Again and again, just think about it. This is a steal. I recommend this balloon garland because it's beautiful. I already worked with this kit before. I loved it then and I love it now. I will insert a picture of my last time working with it so you can see how you can style your balloon garland differently but get a beautiful result anyways. I will link this kit in the description under the video, and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video as well. Oh, you guys, I forgot. The only thing that I don't like about this kit are those hooks. They do damage the wall. Unfortunately, I can't show you the damage on my walls because I have this black paper on my walls and that damage is somewhere over here. So if you need to hang this balloon garland on your wall, it's better to use command hooks. Half a pound command hooks. Believe me, it will be better. This is it, you guys. This is my take on this balloon garland kit. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Also, if you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I will be there. I will answer all of your questions and I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, you guys, just hit that subscribe button down below for more videos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope you'll have a wonderful weekend ahead of you, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!